Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create 2023 season recap video easily in CapCut PC. So first one, just going to select your video for the first clip and just going to adjust for the duration um, for second, and then just going to add text. Select the bold text just for the duration until we finish the video, and just going to change the text. For instance, sorry, 23. Change the um, font, so, and just going to menu again and select setting again, edit, and just going to adjust for image duration, and I'm going to adjust duration for 0.3, click save, and add the images or photos you want to edit, resize, add, resize, add, resize. So you can add um, many more photos you like here. And after you're done, you can also add the song here. Just tap on audio, select music available here, or you can extract for the video. You can also add the TikTok video here, the TikTok audio here. So that's how to make 2023 recap video easily in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.